Is Hulu's error code P-Dev320 crashing your binge-watching party? Don't worry. We're here to fix it. First, let's tackle the most common culprit, your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi is stable. Try restarting your router by unplugging it, waiting 30 seconds, and plugging it back in. Give it a minute to reconnect, and then try Hulu again. If restarting doesn't work, check your internet speed. Run a speed test on your phone or computer. Hulu recommends at least 3 Mbps for streaming and 8 Mbps for live content. If your speed is too low, contact your internet provider. Next up, let's check device compatibility. Is your device fully supported by Hulu? Older devices sometimes struggle. Visit Hulu's website and check their list of supported devices to ensure yours is on the list. Also, make sure your device's operating system is up to date. Outdated software can cause conflicts. Now, let's clear out the cobwebs. Clear Hulu's cache and data on your device. This removes temporary files that might be causing the error. The steps for this vary depending on your device, but you can usually find the option in your device's settings under apps or storage. If clearing the cache doesn't work, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Hulu app. This ensures you have the latest version and a fresh installation, which can resolve corrupted files. Finally, it might not be you. Check Hulu's server status online. Sometimes Hulu experiences outages on their end. If the servers are down, all you can do is wait it out. Check their social media for updates. And there you have it. With these troubleshooting steps, you should be back to streaming your favorite shows in no time. If you're still having trouble, contact Hulu support directly. Happy watching.